Hey, what's up YouTube? Houston here. Look, I know if you're struggling to try to find a personal loan to be able to help you through the holidays, or try to help get a business going, or you're trying to find a loan to just get some bills paid, then this video is going to help you, because I'm going to tell you about 5 different loans that you can get with bad credit. Okay, now the first loan that you can get with bad credit, all right, it's a secured, and you use your secured loans to actually build up, start rebuilding your credit. Okay, and so when you're trying to rebuild your credit with a secured loan, they're usually going to use your savings or your CD. All right, now the top 2 places that I would probably go if I'm trying to rebuild my credit for a secured loan that won't charge me a whole lot of money: Navy Federal Credit Union. And they offer loans starting at, their pledge loans is $250. Okay, so Navy Federal Credit Union, their pledge loan starts at $250. Now, I know for many people, they think they have to have multiple loans to help them build up their credit, but you don't. Navy Federal pledge loans, I would say the maximum would be 2, especially if you're planning on getting more funding from them, because Navy Federal is very popular with working with people with bad credit. When you have a 550, 580 credit score, it still is possible for them to give you maybe a $25,000 credit card. Okay, so Navy Federal is definitely one of the ones you want to check out. And then the other one is Credit Union 1. All right, now with Credit Union 1, their loans, their secure loans start at $10. So if you're a person that's on a real tight budget and you're trying to rebuild your credit, but you don't have a whole lot of money, maybe you're on Social Security benefits, VA benefits, or you're on welfare, but you still want to build your credit, this credit union will work with you, and they have secured loans starting at only $10. All right, so that's the first type of loan that you can get with bad credit. The second type of loan you can get with bad credit is Credit Builder. Okay, your Credit Builder loans. Now, with your Credit Builder loans, these are the ones, again, it's similar to a secured loan or whatever, but sometimes they may be using like a savings account. You have to open up a checking account or something like that. Like one of the top ones is DCU, Digital Credit Union. All right, so they offer Credit Builder loans up to $2,000. Okay, no hard credit check, but you have to become a member with them. Now, another one besides DCU for the Credit Builder loan, you're also looking at Money Lion. All right, so with Money Lion, this is interesting because you can get qualified for $1,000. All right, on a Credit Builder loan. Most Credit Builder loans, they won't give you the money, but with Money Lion, they'll give you a portion of the money. Now, in order to get in their program, they have a monthly fee of about $19, you know, but at the same time, if you're trying to rebuild your credit and everything, definitely Money Lion and DCU would probably be my top 2 that I would go to. All right, now that being said, let's talk about one more. Okay, and that's Ava. All right, so they can give you a $2,500 line of credit, and I made a video on all 3 of these, so you can check out those different videos. But Ava, they can give you a line of credit up to $2,500, and they specialize in like subscriptions. Okay, so that's what they specialize in, subscriptions, paying monthly subscription, but they give you a $2,500 line of credit. Now, this is to help you rebuild your credit. All right, so those are the top 3 with the Credit Builder loans I would probably work out with. Now, the next one, let's talk about car loans. Okay, now with car loans, They're interesting because a lot of people don't know where to get a car loan, especially when you have bad credit, you have a bankruptcy and stuff like that. So you're trying to figure out who would actually give me a loan if I have bad credit. Well, if you actually own your car outright and you have a little equity in the car, then you want to check out a company called Finova Finance. Now, with Finova Finance, long as you don't have no lien on the car, they'll give you a car equity line of credit. That's with Finova. So if you own the car outright, because I have a business associate, he got a great deal on an Escalade. He bought it from somebody whose family was going through probate, so he got a great deal on it, had a lot of equity in it, and he had got his car. He didn't get it refinanced through Finova, but at the same time, Finova is one of those financial institutions that will give you a car equity line of credit. Okay, and they also give it to you like with a type of debit card or something like that. All right, so you got that one. Then also it's Auto Credit Express, and they'll work with you as long as you have a monthly income of at least $1,500 a month. So if you have at least $1,500 a month income, then this may be an option for you as well. Now here's one that's interesting, and I'm going to show you why. It's called Buy Rider, okay? And they are a buy here, pay here, right? Well, some people say, well, that doesn't do much for my credit. But here's the thing about it. Since you have bad credit, one of the credit cards that you may want to consider here is, let's just say buy here, pay here. They qualify you for a car loan, but you still want the trade line. You can ask them, whoever the lender is, see if they're willing to report that trade line, or you can get one of these credit cards, like from OpFi. OpFi gives you like $1,000, right? And so that's one trade line with bad credit, no credit check, and take that and pay the car. You can take that credit card and pay the car. So that's a trade line. And then again, asking the lender if they were willing to report your payment. So that way you can have multiple trade lines reporting to help you build up your credit. Okay, so that's another option with the car loans. Now, let's talk about payday loans. The best payday loans, okay? Now, your best payday loans in terms of trying to get money and stuff like that, you probably, I would say Money Mutual, all right? So with Money Mutual, you have to be making at least $800. That's your income, minimum amount of income you have to be making. And also with Money Mutual, their loans go from $200 up to $5,000. Okay, so that's with Money Mutual. So that probably, if I'm in a tight bind and I need money right away, Money Mutual would probably be my best bet. Now, just one moment. There's another one, and it's called We Loans. No credit check. WeLoans.com, and they loan up to 35, but it's a platform. Okay, it's not a direct lender like Money Mutual. It's a platform. Okay, but in terms of like trying to get a payday loan and you're trying to get a large, more than $5,000, then this is definitely one of the ones you want to actually look at. Now, the fifth place, if you have bad credit, you're trying to get a bad credit loan, all right, that would be with your unsecured loans. Okay, so with your unsecured loans, I would say with your unsecured loans, the place that you probably want to go to, Opportune. Now, Opportune is not in every state, but their loans go from $300 up to, and that's with no credit check. Okay, and with Opportune, I think, as long as you're making at least $500 a month, I think that's their minimum in reference to trying to get qualified, at least $500 a month. Now, in reference to the other one, you have OneMain. All right, so OneMain goes from 300 up to 20,000. It's with no credit check. Now, OneMain also offers secured loans as well, but using your car. All right, so that's another thing, because I know some people are very unhappy because they're like, well, I tried to get a large amount, but they said I needed to put my car up or whatever. But that's with OneMain. Now, if you're looking for another lender that don't pull your credit and trying to get money, then you have Uprover. Now with Uprover, they give you up to $5,000. And then you have IndyLand. Some of these I put in the description for you to check out. But with IndyLand, again, it's up to $5,000. These are the top 5 places. So you have a secured loan, you have a credit builder loan, you have a car loan, you have payday loans, and you have unsecured loans. So you have 5 different places, if you have bad credit, that you can actually go to get funding. All right, and if you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, click the link in the description, schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.